Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add this announcement bar at the top of your website pages in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first go to sites.google.com, then click on the website you want to add your announcement bar on. This is my website in Google Sites, and to add a top banner or announcement bar, simply click on settings icon. This settings window pops up. Jump to the announcement bar at the bottom, and here next to show banner, enable this option. Later or next, select the banner color. Let's go for example with this yellow color. For the announcement message, let's write your own message. For example, free shipping on. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. For the announcement message, let's write your own message. For example, free shipping on orders above $50. For the button label, for example, get free shipping, or yes, get free shipping. For the link, let's add a link to for example, to your shop or any page of your website. In my case, I will add a link to YouTube. Here you can select between opening this link in a new tab or keeping it in the same tab. For the visibility of this announcement bar, you can go with home page only or display it on all pages of your website. After that, click on close. And don't forget to click on this publish button. Click on it again. And let's view my published site. And this is how the announcement bar looks like with this button. You can either go with a button or without a button. So if you don't want to add a button, simply don't fill in this button label just like that. And this is how to add an announcement bar in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.